matter how dark it gets, I always seek the Most High for light. This is what it sounds like when the light shines. In Romans chapter 11, Paul describes a remnant under heaven, 1,000 times 7 set apart for the mercy in God's heart. My spirit felt pregnant to read what Paul taught fed. My daily bread is unleavened, the remaining still exists in the present swift. Fingertips go to war with the scripts in the presence of our Lord. Our essence exists in the sword like a samurai. To understand why a man would die for Gentiles are rebellious and foolish people, but righteous standing with God was a gift to Jewish people. But that gift would lactate because they lacked faith, and only the elected God make the path straight. He castrate the branches that don't bear any fruit, harden the people, impervious to spiritual truth. Described as a wild olive shoot, grafted into a cultivated tree to be nourished at the root. This analogy implies that God's mercy is proof of his sternness to those who don't live in his truth. He's sovereign in submission, majestic in his meekness, reverence in equality, simple in his deepness. I go to seek his face cause he adopted me above, chosen by his grace, a paradox of his love. I go to seek his face cause he adopted me above, chosen by his grace, a paradox of his love. It's 7,000. How long will we drink of the ocean's libation and drown out its creator? How long will we gaze at the sun and be blinded to its source? P-R-A-Y. Every day I open my eyes, I got a P-R-A-Y, P-R-A-Y. Every day I open my eyes, I got a P-R-A-Y, P-R-A-Y. Every day I open my eyes, I got a P-R-A-Y, P-R-A-Y. And every night before I close my eyes, I gotta pray.